It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity in University City at the fabled coral reef. Mother Nature is not being kind to us today. It wasn't supposed to be raining, but here we are. I guess we're pretty used to that by now. Anywho, so this is the only area left in this magnificent yard that hasn't been succulented. And so our clients, Michael and Cesar, have decided that it's time to say goodbye to the azaleas. They have enjoyed them for many, many years. But as we know happens with all of us succulent junkies, we start looking for real estate. And Michael is really, and Cesar have become very interested in Mangaves. So last year, I reached out to Hans from Mad About Mangaves and Walter's Gardens and procured a lovely collection of specimens. Now here in San Diego, we can get a few things, but there are many varieties that are not yet really in production. So I scored. I got these cute plants. I've been growing them out for the last 8 or 9 months in anticipation of this day of creating a Mangave specimen garden. So what we're going to do, in addition to taking out the azaleas, we'll also be clearing out this fern. The clivia will all stay here. So our installation zone will be pretty much from here over to where Mel is working on the azaleas. We will be creating elevations, we'll be staging pots. It will be quite the artistic endeavor. Voila! Our dedicated Mangave garden is complete. Many of these plants came from Hans at Mad About Mangave. You can find him on Instagram. Also from Walter's Gardens, or Walter's Garden. Walter's Gardens. No, that's Hans, right? From Walter's. And then it's... No, and then it's... oh, poop. Yeah, it's escaping me right now. But I will add it to the description of the video where these came from. Plant Delight. Plant Delight. Yeah, that nursery. These were all, for the most part, I got in the mail last year. And then I've just been working on growing them out. We've got, I think, 17 different Mangaves. 19 different Mangaves in this garden. And then they've also got a couple cool ones adjacent over on the other side. We have a Falling Waters, and I'm not sure. We got this one, some Falling Waters, and that cutie, and then this cutie right there. So yes, lots of Mangaves now in this beautiful collector / designer garden. I'd like to show you some other places too. Here's a little tapestry under the plumeria that we installed last year that is doing super good, right? Everything in here is just thriving. I'd love to take credit for those baskets up on the fence and that wisteria, but it predates me.
Isn't the cat cute?
So cute. Yeah. We got this adorable little cactus garden. I wasn't sure how this was going to do due to the reflection, because this is a glass top. And in the summer, I thought, I don't know, it's going to get hot, hot, hot. But it has survived and thrived through a San Diego summer. Very, very cute little cactus garden. And this little garden is a feast for the eyes. Our client actually envisioned, designed, and installed this all by himself. He even made all of these adorable little tchotchkes. So cute. Yeah, it's just such a feast for the eyes. They're such wonderful collectors, and they've done such a magnificent job. And it hasn't all been, they hadn't about 1,000. Like this euphorbia here, look at that. Not a happy camper. May or may not be the spot. Michael has moved some things out of here that just haven't done well. But about, I'd say 90% of his plants are thriving where he put them.
We got a lot of rain.
I know, look at that. It's like you let the air out of a balloon there. But look at this bumhole cactus, Ming thing. That's gorge, right? Oh my goodness. And the fabled coral reef. We are just coming out of winter. It's very, very early days of spring, so some of the plants are still a little stressed from the winter, but most of them are absolutely thriving. The Ruchia in this garden is happier than any Ruchia I have ever planted anywhere before. We even have some little nature surprises. Check this out. This is Ruchia. It volunteered on this boulder. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? I mean, that is just everything. So all of this just thriving, isn't it? Thriving, thriving, thriving. Ooh, Hannah was saying that she's never seen an undulata bloom. This one's getting ready to go off. The flowers are white, and they are significant. Yeah, you will see them, right? They look like little stars. Yep. Very cute. Cool, cool, cool. Some of the sansevierias aren't real happy. This Orchialis, very stressed. Look, the leaf is actually red. I've never seen a copper spoon with a red leaf. But this is one that I believe we transplanted this. So, yeah, I'm going to give it, we'll let it go. We'll let it go. I think it'll be okay. You know, and then all the way down, the thing that makes this garden so special too is all of the interesting elevations. And I have to give our client all the credit for that because he actually constructed all of these planters himself. So we've got all these natural undulations that are so cool. You know, and then this planter bed back here also predates me with the Euphorbia millii and all of the Senecio and the Portulacaria. I think I added the Portulacaria minima, but the rest of it was pretty much here, and we just kind of we fluff it up every year. Here's another copper spoon that's much happier on this side of the garden. And we go all the way down to a Mangave at the very end. So just thought you might enjoy seeing the garden again. This has always been one of everybody's favorites. Thanks so much for following and for subscribing and for sharing my videos. This has been Laura in University City with your Mangave garden and coral reef. Bye guys.